Nandito kami ngayon sa Batangas Port at para makasakay ng barko papuntang Puerto Galera, bumili muna kami ng ticket sa Montenegro Shipping Lines. 650 pesos per person plus terminal fee na 30 pesos. At ito na nga, dala-dala namin ang aming baggage, sasakay na kami sa fast craft from Batangas Port bound to Balatero Port. Almost 50 minutes din na biyahe and very comfortable dahil air-conditioned yung loob. Pag-akyat mo sa taas, ganito ang view. Tanaw na namin ang Mindoro and wow, ang cool pala dito. We did sightseeing and picture taking here. Finally, dito na kami sa Balatero Port. Ayun, naglalakad na ulit ang mga turista. At nandyan na raw yung van na susundo sa amin papuntang hotel. Ayun, at nakita na nga namin. Welcome to Puerto Galera. Pero before ka mag-enjoy, you need to pay for environmental fee for only 120 pesos lang naman. And we're here na at Liza and Liros Hotel. Dito kami mag-i-stay sa barkada room nila for 3 days and 2 nights. For only 900 pesos lang per person, and guess what? May free morning breakfast pa. Actually, sa 3rd floor kami at pag-akyat mo, yan ang view namin from rooftop. May videoke din sila at free yan. Pagbaba ng gamit, rest lang ng konti and going to White Beach agad. Mga 5 minutes lang na lakad, pagdating namin, bumugad sa amin tong sandcastle for only 30 pesos lang, unlimited photoshoot na. And take note, this is one thing na dapat di mo na ma-miss when you go to this beach. Super, we enjoyed this so much. Another thing is yung sunset. Very romantic and makakalimutan mo talaga ang hustle and bustle of everyday life. And we started na walking along the White Beach. Nga pala, ang White Beach ng Puerto Galera ay isang mahabang baybayin ng pino at puting buhangin. Marami ritong clubs, bars, resorts at foreigner, especially paggabi. Yes, the coast offers endless entertainment with its trendy vibes and exciting activities tulad ng snorkeling, jet ski, swimming, banana boat, and kayaking. Along the baywalk, there's so much to see. Mga stalls ng souvenirs and different people and tourists from different countries. Be sure lang na you have extra budget to buy pasalubong and experience some side trips. At dito sa open restaurants na to kami nag-dinner. Favorite ko pala dito yung inihaw na pampano, and never forget dream to try Mindoro Sling. On second day, maaga kami gumising para ma-experience din ang sunrise sa beach. We do walking and napaka-clear ng tubig, puti at pino ang buhangin. Ang maganda pa rito ay walang bayad ang pagpunta sa White Beach at libre kang maligo at samantalahin ang oras at pagkakataon na naroon ka. In fact, during the hot summer months, Puerto Galera transforms into a paradise with shimmering, crystal-clear waters. This underwater wonderland is a haven for aquatic activities, such swimming, sailing, surfing, snorkeling, and especially scuba diving. Remarkably, vibrant coral reefs and swaying sea anemones teeming with life are just a kilometer from the coast. Bukod sa usual activities sa beach, you can play beach volleyball here. Maraming poles and nets along the White Beach na pwedeng rentahan for only 150 pesos per hour, including yung bola additional 150 pesos. Actually, nung una akala namin free yung net. So, be careful, better ask first before maglaro. Pero what matters is, we enjoyed so much and almost 1.5 hours rin kaming naglaro at ito lang yung ilang sa magandang rally na na-videohan namin. Kinahaponan, sinundo kami ng tok-tok or trike para pumunta sa area to start our day tour. Pinasuot kami ng booties for safety na rin. Excited na ang lahat makita ang coral garden, marine life, and most of all, yung pawikan or sea turtles. Lakad-lakad muna papunta sa daungan. Habang papunta sa sakayan ng bangka, nagpa-picture muna kami dito sa Muelier Cultural Heritage Park. It has beautiful scenery landscape and breathtaking attractions. Honestly, the serene beauty unfolds with rows of yachts gently swaying on their moorings. So, if you're looking for a destination that offers both adventure and relaxation, beauty and culture, then Muel Bay is the place for you. After many years, nakasakay na ulit ng bangka. 2 to 3 persons ang kasya sa isang bangka at ayon ang mga turista. Kaway-kaway muna kayo dyan. Ang ganda ng paligid pero before sumakay ng bangka, I suggest na bumili muna kayo ng waterproof na ziplock bag para sa phone kung wala kayong GoPro or waterproof camera. Para tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang documentation and picture taking underwater. This cost 100 pesos lang. At nakarating na nga kami sa underwater cave. Ito ang aming first destination. Meron rin paninda dito pag nagutom ka like calamares, fishball, banana Q, kamote Q, kikiam, biscuits, buko juice, and water bottle. So ayan, papasok na kami and ingat-ingat dahil matulis ang mga corals. May narerentahang helmet for only 50 pesos. Don't worry dahil may tour guide naman na aalalay at kukuha ng pictures sa iyo habang papasok ka sa loob. So, picture taking na ulit! Ayan, pababa na kami. Ingat-ingat ulit, baka matisod. Hawak ng mabuti sa handrails and always be reminded na safety first. Next na is snorkeling. We are going to Coral Garden. All you need to have here is strong arms and before suotin ang snorkel, wash it. Actually, may dala na dishwashing liquid ang bangkerong nasakyan namin. Once nakasuot ka na ng snorkeling mask and syempre life vest with your comfortable swimming wear or rash guard, pwepwesto ka sa gilid ng bangka na parang Spider-Man. And wow, ito yung makikita mo. Nudie branch, giant frogfish, reef fish, and schools of batfish, cuttlefish, and giant clams, at marami pang iba. I highly recommend visiting the Coral Garden is a must if you're in the province. Puerto Galera has all types of establishments catering to all types of tourists, both the budget-conscious and the upscale tourists. There are also an incredible number of activities and tour packages to choose from, making a holiday truly memorably cool. While it's no secret that Puerto Galera has a booming nightlife, did you know that their party scene extends all the way out into the ocean? That's right. Puerto Galera is a proud home to floating bars, which are literally boats turned clubs, restaurants, and party hubs. These are actually rarer than they sound, as only a couple of beaches and hotels offers the service. You can see those bars in Sabang Beach. We decided to enjoy nightlife here in Puerto Galera, specifically here in Sabang Beach. That's why we ride trike that's almost 30 minutes away from the White Beach. We rent the trike for only 750 pesos back and forth with the three of us. And this is what the Sabang Beach looks like. Ang daming clubs and bars that you can enjoy plus their very entertaining performers. Overall, I can say that we will surely come back here in this paradise. Don't miss Puerto Galera for your summer adventures. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.